Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Help Desk. Viewers, today we will discuss 7 most important skills that civil engineer must have. Civil engineers are professionals to design and maintain and oversee construction projects like roads, dams, canals, residential and commercial development projects. The profession of civil engineer well paid and respected as they are major contributor to our society. Many civil engineers have job in engaged role in construction process, while other positions are heavily involved in supervision or administration skills. We can therefore see civil engineers to occupy certain qualities and skills. Here is 7 most important skills civil engineers have to succeed. Number 1. Technical skills. A good civil engineer have advanced understanding in mathematics and physics, which allow first identification of issues and then how to solve these engineering problems. A civil engineer must have ability to find potential solution for critical problems. Number 2. Project management. When problem arises, it is common for all people to look for engineer for guidance and resolution. It is critical that civil engineer is able to set up to the plate and manage the desired team of professionals. Number 3. Leadership quality. Civil engineers carry a great deal of responsibility as they are in charge of design and implementation. Civil engineers must deal a diverse team of professionals, including surveyors, construction managers, technicians, contractors, architects, planners, and all others members. The effectiveness of leadership of a civil engineer have significant in keeping a project on time and in budget. Number 4. Communication skills. In civil engineering, perhaps more than other engineering field, to communicate effectively is highly desired. While dealing with contractors or client, civil engineer must clearly communicate and give clear directions. Also, civil engineer must listen ideas from their team members. Number 5. Creativity. It can be said that role of civil engineer is to apply engineering principle to develop solutions. This required high level of creativity. Engineer must innovate and improve existing solution. Creativity is a key. Number 6. Visualization. The ability to envision what something look like upon completion is one of the most important things that a civil engineer should have. Visualization skill must be flexible and dynamic to identify issues. Number 7. Critical thinking. Civil engineers often face complex problems and must discover effective solutions for them. They need to think for all possible solutions and choose the best among them. Viewers, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Help Desk and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Thank you.